products to sell online. Last one is the best one. This is an electric body scrubber. You can change the brush and wash your body front and back. It sold over 500 pieces last month only on Amazon, and the keyword back scrubber for shower was searched between 1,000 to 10,000 times on Google last month. This shows a high demand for this product. This one is a fruit and vegetable storage. It's designed for those who are using small fridges. The buying price for this product is only 53 cents. And you can imagine selling this product for $19. The shipping cost for this type of products is very low, the lowest price possible for shipping, because it's made of plastic. It's a great product to sell on TikTok shop, or if you have a store that is selling kitchen products. This one is a fidget toy. It helps you to pause for a second, relax and calm yourself down. This fidget toy is not electronic, which makes it ideal for you to sell online because there is no return. The price of this product is only 60 cents, and with a simple marketing on TikTok, you can sell this product for a good price. Now you know.